Lindsay's going first. Yeah. Uh-oh. What in the world?
Who are you?
Wow! Damn it. I don't think I trust this. Oh, God!
Oh,
I swear, it's like they just killed somebody. Oh, we're all family. Oh. He's a sneaky one. I think we're gonna get murdered.
No, you're creepy.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Look at me!
Oh, look at you.
I look at you.
Oh, wait, what's this?
Yeah.
Nipple.
Yeah, all of it.
Man, they're good in here.
Where'd he go? Oh, this shit. Okay. We'll do that. What's it?
Oh, that's bright.
Oh, damn. We just made a Nora sandwich.
Oh, no. Oh, my God, what is that?
Wow. Are you okay?
He look like he's okay.
No, no. Do we go in there? Oh my God, no, it's growling. Hell no.
Oh.
Is that Grandma?
Oh, my God, what is that? No.
What is it?
What the hell is that? No.
the hell? Oh, that is creepy. All right, well, we can't go that way and we can't go that way. That one is well, maybe we can. Bum rush him. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Ah! He was trying to scare me, but I still get. Damn it, we need to be over there. That's the exit right there, but it's over there.
Gotta go back and find another way on the other side.
Oh, no.